Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma Wireframe. First, open Figma and create a new design file. Select the Frame tool and draw your initial screen size, perhaps a desktop or mobile frame. Use basic shapes like rectangles and circles, along with the text tool, to represent content blocks and labels. Remember, wireframes focus on structure and hierarchy, not visual aesthetics. Keep it simple and functional at this stage. Next, let's structure your wireframe effectively. Use Figma's auto layout feature to build dynamic components that adjust automatically. Group related elements together, like a header or a navigation bar, for easier management. Implement a grid system, perhaps a 12-column grid, to ensure consistent spacing and alignment across your design. This approach helps maintain order and makes future adjustments much simpler. Now, let's add more detail to your wireframe. Represent interactive elements like buttons and input fields with simple shapes and text. Use placeholder images, perhaps a gray box with an X, to indicate where visuals will go. Crucially, add annotations directly onto your wireframe using text boxes to explain functionality or design decisions. This ensures everyone understands the purpose of each element, even without high-fidelity visuals. Finally, it's time to share your work and gather feedback. Use Figma's sharing features to invite collaborators to view and comment on your wireframe. Actively listen to their input and be prepared to iterate on your designs. Remember, wireframing is an iterative process. Once refined, you can easily export your wireframes as images or PDFs for presentations, ensuring clear communication of your design's structure and flow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.